Your phone isn't messy. Your mind is overloaded, and your digital clutter is silently stealing your focus every single day, without you even realizing it. Most people think digital clutter is normal. Hundreds of photos, dozens of apps you barely use, downloads you forgot about, notifications popping up every few minutes. It feels harmless, but here's the truth. Every tiny distraction drains mental energy, even if you ignore it, because your brain still has to process it. Every badge notification, every messy folder, every "I'll clean this later" decision creates invisible mental weight, and that weight builds up over time. Clutter isn't just visual, it creates decision fatigue, and decision fatigue quietly destroys productivity. That's why sometimes you feel tired before you even start working. You pick up your phone to do something important, and suddenly you're scrolling, switching apps, forgetting what you wanted to do in the first place. Not because you lack discipline, but because your environment is chaotic. A cluttered digital space creates a cluttered mind. The good news? You don't need a complicated system. You don't need hours of cleaning. You just need a simple structure that you can repeat. In this video, I'll show you a practical digital decluttering system. Not just a quick 5-minute reset, but a simple routine you can use every week to keep your digital life clean, fast, and stress-free. Let's fix this properly. Step 1. The 30-day rule for apps. Start with your apps. Open your full app list. Scroll slowly. Now ask one simple question for each app. Have I used this in the last 30 days? If the answer is no, delete it. Be honest with yourself. You are not losing anything. You can always reinstall it later. But right now, unused apps create visual noise. They make your brain work harder just to find what you need. And every extra icon adds friction to your daily life. Remember, less apps means less distraction. Less distraction means more focus. Your phone should feel like a tool, not a crowded marketplace. Step 2. Reset your downloads folder. Next, open your downloads folder. For most people, this is a digital graveyard. Old PDFs, screenshots you forgot, duplicate images, random files you'll never open again. This folder silently creates mental stress because it feels unfinished. So here's the rule. If you don't immediately know why you need it, delete it. You don't need to organize everything perfectly. You just need to remove the unnecessary. Because most files are replaceable, you can download them again, but your mental clarity is not easily restored. A clean downloads folder creates a sense of closure. It tells your brain, nothing here is pending. Step 3. Audit your notifications. Now let's talk about the biggest hidden stress source. Notifications. Every notification is a demand for your attention. Even if you don't open it, your brain still reacts. That tiny interruption breaks focus, and it takes several minutes to fully recover from it. So go to your notification settings and turn off notifications for shopping apps, social media suggestions, promotional alerts. You don't need constant updates about sales or trends. Keep notifications only for essentials, messages, calls, calendar reminders, work tools. You'll notice something surprising. Within a day, your phone will feel calmer, your mind will feel quieter, and your focus will improve naturally. Step 4. Clean your email inbox. Now let's declutter your email. Open your inbox. In the search bar, type one word, unsubscribe. You'll instantly see dozens of newsletters you never read, marketing emails, promotions, random updates. Unsubscribe from them, one by one. This takes just a few minutes but has a huge impact. After that, archive the remaining old emails. Remember, your inbox is a tool, not a storage room. A clean inbox reduces anxiety every time you open it, and it helps you focus only on what truly matters. Step 5. The weekly 5-minute reset. Now here's the most important part. Decluttering once is not enough, because digital clutter always comes back. New downloads, new notifications, new apps. So instead of relying on motivation, you create a system. Once a week, spend just 5 minutes doing a quick reset. Delete new junk files, clear screenshots, remove unused apps, Check notifications. 5 minutes. That's all it takes to prevent chaos from building up again. Because systems always beat motivation. Motivation fades, but simple routines create lasting change. When your digital space becomes clean, your mind becomes lighter, you think more clearly, you focus longer, and you feel less overwhelmed. Because clarity in your environment creates clarity in your thoughts. Clean space, clear mind, better focus. If you want more simple tech systems that actually improve your daily life, watch the next video, because sometimes small digital habits can create the biggest mental transformations.